Hello children, are you ready for some fridge phonics? Right, well today we are going to be practicing our reading skills using segmenting and blending, and we are going to be using the sound ow. Ow is the sound you make when somebody pinches you. Pinch, ow, ow. Okay, so ow as in ow, cow. But also children, we also know that these two letters make another sound. Can you remember? Have a think. It can make ow as in cow, but it can also make o as in o, snow, o as in snow. Right, so you need to remember that these two letters that make the digraph can be sounded out as O as in snow and ow as in cow. Just need to know that. Okay children, so look out for that when you're reading and you decide what makes more sense. Is it ow or is it O? It depends on the story and it depends on the sentence that you're reading and the context. Right, let's begin our reading practice. Let's bring the owl back and I'm going to start building some words and I want you to use your segmenting. Oscar, will you be quiet please, Oscar? Honestly, that Oscar's always chasing the next door's dog. Anyway, let's get back to what we were doing. Right, so I'm going to build a word. You're going to read it using segmenting and blending. Right, what have we got here? Now, can you remember how we segment and blend? Yes. We separate the words, okay? First of all, by segmenting it, and then we sound it out. Is that right? No, of course not, because this is a digraph. They have to stick together and they make ow, or they could make o. But in this word, it's ow, ow. Okay, all together. Ow, ow. Getting closer. Ow. When it touched, the word is now. Well done, children. Right, Oscar is slurping away at his water bowl at the moment, if you can hear that slurping noise. Right, here's another word. Are you ready to read it? I think you know that already. Ow. And the word is how. How did you know that? How. You knew that because you used your segmenting, ow, and your blending. Well done, children. Right, next one. We just did this one a minute ago. What word is that? Ow, cow. Exactly. Cow. Well done. Right. This one is for all you superheroes. What does that say? Pow. Fantastic. Oh my gosh, such good readers. Right, how about this one then, children? Right, let's bring it over a bit so that you can see it clearly. Okay, you're doing some segmenting. Ow. Ow. Own. Own. See children, I keep repeating the sounding out over and over again until I recognise the word town. 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 Just like that. Very good, children. And the last one is, and all I have to do is move this. We get a rhyming word that rhymed with town. Down. Can you hear it? Down, down. Exactly, children. Down and town. They rhyme. It's just a matter of changing the first sound. Okay, well done, children. Fantastic. Right, children, we're going to practice our tricky words. Okay, now these are some simple tricky words that you can learn, and it's really easy to learn these because you can see a pattern. Let's have a go at this. Right, if you look here, what does that say? That's right, children. B. B. But I can easily change B to, what does that become? We. Just changing the first sound. We. So if I know how to spell B and we, I can spell, what's that? Me. Very good, children. Me. And if I can do me, I can do, that's right, he. He. Excellent. It's as simple as that, children. Right, there's another simple tricky word that we can build. And by using our rhyming skills and looking at patterns, we can easily build other ones. This word is exactly go. Go. If you can write or read go, you can write or read, what's that? Yes, same pattern, and it's got the O always there. No. Go. No. Just like that. And if you can read or write no, you can write so. Just like that, children. Just like that. It's easy as easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay? Right. Well done. Good listening. Hello children, it's time for some quick writes. Now I'm going to say some words and I want you to quickly write them down. Okay, then after you've written them down, I'm going to write the word down and I want you to check to see if you got it right. If you got it right, give yourself a tick. If you made a mistake, we learn from our mistakes, and that's what it's all about. It's all about learning. Right children, are you ready? The first word is was. I was so good. Was. Off you go. Was. There you are. Did you get it right? Well done. You ready for your next word? My, as in my dog. My. There you go. Did you get it right? Next word. You, as in you and me. You. Have a go. Did you get it right? If not, just correct it. Well done. Next word. Her, as in her cat, her house, her friend, her. There we are. Her. Did you get that right, children? Well done. Her. Next word. He. He. He is so good. There we are. Did you get that right? Well done. The next one is she. She. What do I need to add to make this she? That's right. Shh. She. Well done if you got that right. Are you ready? We are going to the park. We. That's it, children. We. Good. Ready for the next one? Can you write me? Me. There we are. Very simple. Had the same pattern as the word before. We, me. Next one. Be. Be good. Be good. B. Be. Did you get that right, children? Well done. Next word. All. All of us are together. All. Can you remember? Well done if you got it right. All. Next one. Are. Are you okay? Are. Give you a little bit of time. Have you done it? Does it look like this? Are. Well done, children. Well done. How about this, children? Is this how you spell went? Went. Is that right? What do you mean it's not right? Oops. Were you tricked by the Joker? Of course not. Let's correct it. Went. I'll get you next time. Okay, children, I want you now to write my. Is this right? Is that my? Come on, that's my. What are you trying to say? That's not my. God, I couldn't catch you out again. That's right. You weren't tricked by the Joker. That's my. M-Y spells my. Well done. Okay, children, we're going to stop there for today. But I'll be with you another day to do some more phonics. And next time, I'm going to catch you out. Take care till then. Bye. Good. Oh. Bye. Good.